Very quickly before we get into this 90-second review, all the footage not of this lens was captured handheld with zero post stabilization or sharpening. Though there is a mix of 25 to 50 frames per second for this video, I really wanted to show you what this lens was like as a walk around lens. And for good reason, because when this lens was announced, I was a little pissed off. Not because of this lens's flaws, and there are many, but because of what people were comparing this lens to, which in my mind, as far as viable comparisons go, there are few. However, people in the comment section seem to go a little crazy, because technically this lens might not be good for what they like to capture compared to what they already have. And it's true. If you're going to compare the Tamron 28-300 to a far less versatile lens that is optimized to capture a specific content, this lens will fall short. But I'm trying to emphasize some key words here: versatile and specific content. Because for testing this lens, I used it for exactly what I feel it is best for, when you don't know what you're going to be shooting. As a walk-around lens, for when you're seeking inspiration and don't want to carry every single lens with you, the Tamron 28-300 has got your back. It's creative, it's fun, it's all in one.